how to hide all Facebook photos with only me setting. So if you want to hide all Facebook photos with only me setting, then first open up your Facebook. After opening a Facebook, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And then you need to scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to just scroll down and you will find an option of profile and tagging. You need to just go with that. Tap on profile and tagging. And here you will have who can see your tagged in profile post. So you need to tap on it and then select only me and go with save. And after that, just go back. And if you want to hide the Facebook post that you have uploaded, then you need to go with your profile. And on your profile, like for example, if I have this one, I'll just simply go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then tap on edit post. And here you need to tap on the public section. It says that this album is public, which means anyone can see what you post. So you need to just tap on hide from profile and it will be hidden from your profile. So that's how you can hide all Facebook photos with only me setting. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.